Welcome to this beautiful cul-de-sac neighborhood where the streets are quiet, the neighbors are friendly, and you get that this is home feeling the second you pull in. I'm talking about 531 Copper Mountain Circle right here in Brookings, South Dakota. Let's go take a look. Just imagine those warm summer evenings, bike rides, friendly waves from the neighbors, and maybe even an impromptu block party. Because let's be honest, a cul-de-sac is basically a built-in social hub. And check out this backyard, a 2-tier deck, plenty of room for a fire pit, and a lush green lawn to keep fresh with the sprinkler system. Perfect for weekend barbecues, morning coffee, or letting the dog run wild. Perennials? Yep, you can't see them yet, but they're already planted and ready to bloom. So you get a beautiful yard without the back-breaking work. And let's not forget, the garage is spray foam insulated and heated. So whether you need a winter workshop like this gorgeous workbench here, or just afraid of getting in a freezing car, this garage is for you. Inside, this walkout ranch home has all the comforts you'd want. An inviting kitchen with all the appliances and a breakfast bar, main level laundry, and 3 bedrooms all on one level. A cozy gas fireplace in the family room with 2 more bedrooms, a bathroom, and a finished storage area to round it all off. If you're looking for a home with great outdoor space, a welcoming neighborhood, and all the right updates, this one's for you. Call me today and let's make this happen. We're the Brookings Home Team. Thank you for watching, and be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.